Zook and the Four Seasons. Now, this is the second of two free CD-ROMs that I was given when I was younger, although at the time our computer wasn't working, so by the time I actually played on Britannica and this Zook, we were using Windows 7, but I thought I'd go ahead and do it on Windows XP. Now, I did try running it on Windows 98, but it didn't work. It's not so much that the program itself didn't run, but it required QuickTime, which the particular version of QuickTime it required had to be installed on Windows 2000 or above. So, yeah, I'm going to use Windows XP for this one. Now, it's just a kid's interactive CD-ROM, but I thought since I did play on it when I was younger, it deserves to be in the series. Now, this was released in 2008, but it was made by a company called QA International. At least that's what it says on the back. But it was distributed free with the Daily Mail, like the Britannica Solitaire CD-ROM. And this company, they'd made a few similar CD-ROMs with a different character. I found out there was one called Mango, which was like a bird thing. And as far as I know, this is the only one with Zook, the robot. See there, QA International.
Hi, I'm Zook, and I want to know all about your planet.
Oh, really?
Click on the crown of leaves with your name written on it, or click on an empty crown to start a new game.
Well, let's go.
Type your name and then click on the magic wand.
Let's go with the first one, magic wand.
Choose a level of difficulty. Level 3.
Let's go with 3, because...
Level 3.
Come on.
Here's my story.
Let me tell you what happened one day to Zook, the little space robot. Like all robots his age, Zook loved to play in intergalactic space with his super magic cosmic flying skateboard. He did flips around comets, practiced his super duper space jump over the stars, and surfed the whole Milky Way without stopping. But one day, Zook took a new direction. That day, a magnificent blue planet appeared before him. Then, suddenly, he was pulled into a spin towards Earth.
Whoa! Oh, but where am I? Welcome to planet Earth, little robot.
All the forest friends are getting ready to celebrate the great festival of the seasons.
Do you want to help us? The forest? The seasons? What does that mean?
Oh, open your ears and eyes and stretch out your antenna. We need your help for the great festival of the seasons. Don't forget, if you need a helping wing, click on the help button and I'll be right there.
Oh, hello. My name is Flora, and summer is my favorite season. I like the warm weather and the hum of insects singing together like a choir. And I especially love the flowers in all their colors. I gather their petals to make myself the most beautiful party dresses. Oh, your dress is so beautiful. I think I really like flowers. Explore the forest and bring me flowers of every color. I'll use their petals to make you a colorful costume to wear to the festival of the seasons. Zook, zook, zook! A beautiful costume for me! Quick, find the right flowers. Let's go look for a beautiful orange flower.
Okay, so
But that's not an orange flower.
where is the orange flower?
Oh, I love dresses. Oh, Flora is so beautiful. But that's not an orange flower.
Where is the orange flower? Oh yeah, we can move. There we go. Of course, I'm not colorblind. I just wasn't sure what you had to do.
What a beautiful petal for my costume. Let's look for red flowers.
Okay, yeah, I get it. I forgot you could move like that. I wasn't sure if like you had to pick the wrong one first.
Yippee! Hooray for summer flowers!
Oh look, we can go all the way around
Let's
the world.
look for a yellow flower.
Yellow flower.
Hooray! What a magnificent flower petal! Let's look for a light blue flower.
Oh, could it be there?
Yahoo! Soon I'll have my costume of flowers. Let's hurry and find a white flower. Zook, zook, zook! I'm going to have the best costume of all. Let's look for light green flowers.
Now, this is obviously supposed to be educational as well. That's why it's quite basic. But then it's stuff like you got to find the coloured flowers or whatever. Now I know it's quite basic. There's not really
Let's look for light green flowers.
There's not a lot to do, but obviously it's when you're younger, it's like probably a bit more interesting. Oh, there we go.
Yahoo! Soon I'll have my costume of flowers. Let's hurry and find a purple flower.
I don't know what happened to the company that was making these, but you can tell that there was quite a bit of effort put into this. Like, considering it was just a free CD-ROM given away by the Daily Mail, it's not bad. Although it's I'm trying to like just go with it because
It's so hot this summer. My little flowers are thirsty.
I'm trying to hold myself
Let's
back
hurry
from
and find a purple
laughing
flower.
or anything. There we go.
Zook, zook, zook. I'm going to have the best costume of all. Let's go look for a pink flower.
I don't think I'll go through every task. I think I'll just finish this one and then that'll be the end of the video.
Hooray! What a magnificent flower petal. Well done. I'll soon be able to make a beautiful flower costume for Zook. Let's find some dark green flowers.
How many more flowers do we need? Oh, is that there it is? There it is.
Yippee! Hooray for summer flowers. Let's find the dark blue flowers.
Dark blue flowers. Also, I think this was the only so this was the only Zook game that this company made. All the others had there was some of that mango character, which was a bird,
beautiful petal for my costume. Yippee! Now I have all the petals I need to make Zook's costume.
I can't believe I paid £3 on eBay for
When
this.
the flower petals open, when the caterpillars crawl, when the strawberries appear, then I know that summer's here. Yay! My costume of summer flowers. I can hardly wait to wear it at the Festival of the Seasons. Before we celebrate, we have other seasons to explore.
Hi, my name is Nibbles, and I love autumn when the leaves are swirling all around. This is the season to store food for the winter, and I'm the one who makes the best snacks. Foggy buns, rain cookies, and shivery turnovers. Everything tastes good at this time of year.
That makes me hungry.
For the Festival of the Seasons, I'm going to bake the most delicious treat. A big cake, an autumn leaf layer cake for all our guests. Oh, num num num. Can you help me?
Oh, yes! Let's gather autumn leaves in the forest for Nibble's big cake. Let's look near the stream for a branch with 3 leaves.
Okay, so, it's kind of sweet. I'll give it that. And I forgot that it was as late as 2008. I thought it was like an older program, but yeah. It makes you think it wasn't that long ago that they still used to make like sweet sort of games like this.
Let's look near the stream
for children.
For a branch with 3 leaves.
Free of anything bad, But I said I'm not gonna go through it all because I think you get the gist of it. This is just to kind of show, have a quick view at what it's about, and because I don't want it to become a lost media, so I'm gonna quit.
Do you really want
Yes,
to buy?
Buy it. Version 1.1.
When the flower petals open, when the caterpillars...
No. Yeah, so I'll put a link to that. So yeah, I did actually have I mentioned that I paid £3 on eBay for that because the one I had, I think it got thrown away or something, and yeah, I mean not that it's that amazing, but sometimes you like wish you still had it just for the sake of looking back. But now I've got it, I'll put it on the archive.org website. I know I said I was going to do it on the others, I haven't got round to it yet, but I'll just check the description because they'll be in the description at some point. And if you do want to have a further look at it, at least you won't have to pay for it. I only did that because it's one that I had played at one point and I felt I needed to do it. There was also another one, it was like an eyewitness encyclopedia, CD-ROM, but I'm not sure if it's worth doing that because I never really used that at all. I think I looked at it once just to check it out before it got thrown away and it didn't even work. But yeah, I'm not even sure exactly which one it was. I think it was the space one. I don't think that really needs to be in the series. So yeah, that's Zook and the 4 Seasons. If you're still watching, then thank you for your attention.